Good morning and happy Friday from Puerto, Cruz, from Tenerife, from paradise. I can show you the finished statue, and now we are waiting for the strong wind to see all segments moving. And this video is about the weather. So it's 10:30. We have 3 degrees, expecting 26 today. Hopefully you have same beautiful autumn somewhere in your country. Lago Martianes. We should say holiday resort Martianes. Playa de Martianes. Surfers are coming. Někdo tady mluví česky? Ahoj holky! We have ladies from Czech Republic here. Zdravíme všechny do Česka, z Puerto, a taktiež zdravíme všetkých na Slovensko, samozrejme, po slovensky. Lovely buildings. Beautiful. So best wishes. Have a lovely Friday. Tomorrow weekend. All the best from Puerto, Cruz, from Tenerife, from paradise of the nature.